be talking about the changes to the individual income tax returns. Now, the first question I always get is, does this affect me? And I can tell you right now, without looking at anything, the answer is yes, 100% it does affect you. It's going to affect everybody who files an income tax return. The more important question is, how is this going to impact you? Is it going to increase your tax liability, or is it going to decrease your tax liability? And the answer to that is much more complicated. Today I'm going to be talking about just a couple of the changes that you will be seeing. Overall, you're going to see a decrease to your income tax rates. With those income tax rate changes, we're going to see the top tax rate going from 39.6% down to 37%. So that's already a decrease of 2.6%, which is great news. And with that, something that you're going to see probably before any of the other changes is if you are an employee working for somebody, you're actually going to see probably an increase in your net paycheck. Because under the old laws, again, you had a higher tax rate and your payroll withholdings were a little bit higher at that time. Another change that you're going to see is to the standard deduction. Now, just as a quick recap, you can either take a standard deduction for your deductions, or you can take the itemized deduction. And you look at the two, and whichever is greater, that's what you take on your tax return. Itemized deductions are things like mortgage interest, donations, real estate taxes, and such. Now, the change that you're going to be seeing in 2018 and going forward is they will be doubling that standard deduction for everybody. So hopefully, this will be a step towards tax simplification, and less people will be itemizing, which means you won't have to worry about calculating mortgage interest, real estate taxes, and things like that. And instead, you'll get a higher standard deduction if that's applicable to you. So like I said, there's going to be a lot of changes. These are just a couple of the changes that you're going to be seeing. But it's going to be increasingly important that you meet with your tax advisor or somebody here at ShindelRock to help you evaluate everything that's going to be changing. And if there's an opportunity to decrease your taxes with this coming tax reform, we will make sure to take advantage of that.